everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you cabbage rolls. So there are different kinds of cabbage rolls. Usually they do in vegetarian, also in non-veg. Non-veg ones are very popular here. So I have done some research, and I even had the potato ones filled with potato with cabbage, and there are different versions of cabbage rolls. So today I'm going to show you something different and hope you all will like it, and do try this recipe. Ingredients for the cabbage roll: I've taken 8 cabbage leaves. So these has come out well from the cabbage. If this doesn't come, then the different method that you have to remove the corn from the cabbage and boil it in hot water facing the open end towards the bottom of the pan. So when you boil it, then you can take the leaves out well. So now I'm going to boil these into hot water. So here my hot water is ready, and I'm going to boil this. I'm going to cover with the lid. And until it gets boiled, I'm going to show you next stage. The stuffing which I'm going to fill in the cabbage rolls, I'm going to make out of rice. So I have soaked the rice for half an hour, and you can take any rice, but I'm taking here basmati rice, which is already available. It's a long grain rice. Other than rice, we need some tomato puree. This is 1 tomato which I already barbecued and blended in the blender, and I have taken 3/4 onion which I have chopped into small pieces. Then we need some spices. Here are my spices. Then this is the mint, and this is grounded pepper powder. Then I have red chili powder and the salt, and some few flakes, red chili flakes. So these are the only spices I'm going to use. Other than this, I'm going to use clarified butter and olive oil. So my cabbage leaves are getting steamed. Then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. While my cabbage leaves are getting cooked, so it has to become softer so that I can roll the stuffing into that. So meanwhile, I'm going to make the stuffing. So I'm heating the pan. Then I'm adding 1 spoon clarified butter. Into this goes the onion. My onions can be made cook faster by adding little bit salt to this. Half the salt I have already added into this, so that onion gets cooked faster. So once it turns brown in color, then I'm going to add other ingredients to this. My cabbage leaves looks cooked. It has turned into translucent. So now I'm going to take it out from the hot water. Onions looks nice and brown in color. This is how I want it to look. Then I'm going to add mint by crushing in between my hands. So that gives nice flavor. Then I'm going to add rest of the ingredients. all the spices gets incorporated well into the onions, then it tastes too good. Then next goes my tomato puree. As my tomatoes are already barbecued and it doesn't need lots of cooking, just I'm going to turn off them. Looks nice. So at this point, after getting cool for 2-3 minutes, then I'm going to add rice to this. So it's a little bit cool. Still I can see the steam coming out, but that's okay. It's not too hot at least. So at this point I'm going to add rice to this. And just mix it well. So I have removed the water. Only the rice I want to put in this. It looks nice. Now it's time to roll the cabbage. So I call it again all-in-one recipe. So I'm going to take this thick portion. Just cut that off. So that we'll be able to roll it well. I'm going to make this into 2 pieces. So I'm going to add 2 spoons of the starch. Remove this leaf is bigger size, then just I'm going to fold it like this and roll it tightly. This is how it looks. The other side it looks like this. So I'm going to roll all of them like this. I'm going to remove and add 2 spoons of stuffing. So I'm doing bigger size so that I can cut down some time in rolling it. So you can make it smaller also. This is how we are going to roll it. That's it. I'm going to finish off all of them. So now I'm going to add at the base the leftover pieces of cabbage. These are the cabbage pieces. And also I'm going to add some onion pieces. I'm going to pour a little bit oil. I'm using olive oil here. And now I'm going to organize all my rolls. It's very big rolls, but you can make small ones also. Earlier I even made potato rolls. So we can make any kind of, like you can even mixed vegetables with the mushrooms. I can show that also later once. I'm going to add again 1 spoon oil. And I'm going to add some water to this. Because it has rice, so when you put water, it gets nice and cooked. Then I'm going to cover the lid. I'm going to wait for it. Done. Looks so beautiful. You can eat as it is. Or even you can add yogurt to this. It looks yummy. You try out this and comment in the comment box below. Looks so nice and yummy. Very tasty. We can even bake this. I even bake with potato or other stuffings. So this time I showed with the pan, but next time I'm going to bake it actually. For full recipe, look into the description box below. And if you like this recipe, share with your friends. And if you are for the first time onto my channel, and subscribe to my channel for new notification. Thank you for watching and see you with next video. Until then, bye.